All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the last example, guys. Once again, we were going to come back to these. So you do have already all of this in your notes. Just one thing, if you take a look in this case, once again, guys, first step is for us to actually identify what the variable is going to be equal to. In this case, I don't know, we decided to make the variable v. And we're actually making it equal to the expression that is inside the parentheses, which is that 6x plus 5. Now, in the previous example, we did have both of the expressions or terms in this case already written in this form. But if you take a look on this side, we actually don't have this one written in that form. So if it's not written in this case, we do have to focus on looking for a GCF. And the GCF in this case we found was a -3. So we proceed in this case to factoring a -3 out of the expression in this case, and we have now a 6x plus 5, which is the expression that we are looking for in this case, guys. This is the expression we're looking for. So from there, let's go ahead and do basic substitution. Once again, wherever we see that expression, 6x plus 5, we substitute with the v, and 6x plus 5, substitute with the v. From there, we proceed on to making the equation equal to a 0. And we determine, maybe we could do the diamond method. Maybe we could do GCF. On this one, it is the diamond method. So as we're working through the diamond method, we are able to find our v values. Our v values in this case. Now, like the previous example in this case, guys, we have to bring back the information of let v equal a 6x plus 5. We have that, right? 6x plus 5. In this case, it's up to you because we're only looking for one solution in this case. It's up to you which value you want to choose. It's up to you which value you want to choose. So let's go ahead and say, I don't know, I choose the first one, right? I am going to be showing both just for the sake of it, but you only need one. See, v equals -5. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make the equation here, a 6x plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and make that equal to a 5. Equal to a -5, actually. -5. So our goal is to solve for x. So I want to go ahead and move first the 5. Let's go ahead and subtract 5 to both sides. Subtract 5. And then I have 6x equals a -10. All right. From there, we're going to go ahead and proceed to divide by 6 on both sides, divided by 6. And x in this case equals -10 over 6. Now, whenever you get a fraction, guys, we do have to check if we could simplify this. And by simplify means, can I divide any number by both of these terms? Or can both of these terms be divided by the same number in this case? And the answer is yes, both of them could be divided by 2. So if I divide by 2 in this case, I have a -5 over 3. So that's one solution. Once again, guys, I'm only looking for one solution. So that would be one of them. If I choose in this case to go with v equals a +2, now let's go ahead and do that. I have a 6x plus 5 plus 5. And that is equal to a 2. So solve for x. Let's go ahead and subtract 5 to both sides. Cancels. And I have in this case a 6x equals a -3. From there, we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 6. Divide both sides by 6 here. And x in this case is going to equal -3 over 6. And once again, guys, whenever you get a fraction, check. Is there a number I could divide both of these terms by? And the answer is yes, I could divide both of them by a 3. So the real solution in this case would be that -1/2. All right. So you could choose whichever you want, guys. I did show both, just so you know, we're not going to be getting the same answers, or there might be an occasion where we are. But in this case, it's only one solution, so you get to choose which one's going to be your x value.